What's up guys, Farid and today I'm gonna show you the fastest way to learn the muscle ups after the intro. First I'm gonna show you how to use the resistance band. The most people doing it wrong, like this. This variation help you only for pull-ups. If you can't do pull-up, this will be very helpful. But for the muscle up, what you need is the transition from this point to this point. This is what exactly you need for the muscle up. This is why you have to make it short, like this. 1 or 2. Your leg, and then the first step you'll practice this movement. You go far from the bar and not like the pull-up, the normal pull-up. This pull-up will never help you. This variation, you have to go like this. And step 2, 1, 2, and up. Like this. Can also put your both legs, it's also possible. Up. So I will suggest to use a strong band doing 6 reps, at least 6 reps, and then move to the next one, like this one, and exactly the same thing, 1 and 2, and put your leg, and let's go. Up. And now if you do 6 reps clean with the strong band, move to the other one and to the other one. So this is light and with all the same thing, 1, 2, and exactly the same thing. Focus, you go forwards and then pull yourself like this position, pull and then up. 1, 2, 3. So. And one day, when you feel strong and you know the technique, you don't need any of these. And okay, I hope this video is helpful guys, and please don't forget to put a thumbs up, share and like, and stay tuned.